Hi, Nori here. Today, I'd like to share with you the chair yoga, fully seated. Um, so we can do it anytime, maybe between off time, or maybe you want just a little bit movement, while you sit on the chair, or maybe in an airplane, sit in the airplane. So let's begin our practice. I've got this flat block underneath my feet, and then shuffle my buttocks forward, and then both feet are on the ground or on the block. Roll your shoulders down away from your ears, and feeling the elongation on the spine. And we do a couple of breathing, and 5 breaths in, no breath retention at the top, and then 5 breaths out. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and exhale. Back to your natural breathing. Let your breath flow in and out through your nose. Inhaling, exhaling. And from here, palms together, and then rub your hands. And you might feel a little bit of heat between the palms. And then release your hand. And soften your shoulders, and then soft wrists, soft elbows, and arms. And the palms facing each other. And then maybe you might like to close your eyes or gaze softly open, whichever you feel appropriate in this moment. And I invite you to notice the sensation between your palms. Maybe on your palms, maybe fingertips. And maybe let your palms wider. And then let your palms move close towards each other, nice and slow. Inhaling, expand. Exhaling, softening. I'd like to invite you to notice sensations. What are you feeling in this moment between your palms, fingertips? Like a ball of healing energy between our palms. Now as you open wider, let the ball of energy, healing energy, grow and expand. And exhale to back into the center, and then softening the shoulders. And then let's do one more time. Inhaling, exhaling. And then with feelings on the palms and fingers. And then we do a tapping. So maybe the top of your head, on the side of your head, with on the fingertips, and then just lightly tap, 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 tap. And then I come down behind your ear, around your ear, maybe in your earlobes. And then I come onto your face, underneath your chin, underneath your nose, and around your eyes, underneath eyebrows, and all over. And then I come onto the side of your neck, just light touch, light tapping. And then your collarbone, and your chest. Ooh. And then from on the shoulders, and then all that way down to your hands, and then turn the hands back, and then just tap, 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 tap. And then you do another side, tap, 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 one back, tap, 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 tap. And you do it a couple of times. And then back to chest, the side of your ribs, side of your body, and onto your sides, and onto your leg, and then the toes, and come up, tap, 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 tap. And then I come back. Take a moment here. Notice how you are feeling after all this tapping. Inhale through your nose and slow out breath. And from here, palms on your sides and shoulders down. And we go from the neck to the side. So slowly moving your neck to the side, left to right or right to left, whichever you like to start from. Nice slow movement. You gaze over to your shoulder and back to the other side, and then you come back to the center. And then from here, chin down, and then look down, and noticing a stretch, that lengthening on the cervical spine. And you inhale to look up, stretch the front of your throat, the neck, and down. And then a couple of more times, look up, and then look down. And then look up, and then look down. And back to the center, and then this time rotating the neck, so all the way. All the way. Nice and slow. All the way. And the other way as well. And then come back to the center, and then this time the shoulders. Shrug shoulders up towards your ear. Shoulder up and down. Up and down. Up, 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 and down. Up, 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 down. And then rotating the shoulders. Whichever you like to first, and then backwards and front or front and back. And then the other way. And then this time with elbows, so like this, almost like swimming backwards or forward. And then the other way, like swimming in a swimming pool. And then I come back to the center, and then this time a wrist roll, so rolling the wrist. Rolling the wrist. And then come back to the center, and then this time, fingers curl. Slowly carving, and then into the fist, and then open, and then curving your fingers, and then open, and then curving the fingers, and then open, and then once more, curving the fingers, and then open, and then release. And then this time, with our hips and legs, so lifting the legs, knees, one at a time, like walking on the road, walking in the woods, like marching. Lovely. And from here, we're going to add on. So lift right knee, for example. So I'm lifting the right knee, and then opposite arm lift. So mine is left arm lift and down, And then this time the opposite side. So left knee lift, right arm up and down. So you continue to do that. Inhale up, exhale down. And inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. And then we're going to add on this from here. So lift knee and the opposite arm lift. And then this time touch. Lift the arm and touch and down. And then inhale up, touch, down. Inhale up, touch, down. Inhale, arm up, touch, down. One more time. Inhale up, touch, down. And inhale up, touch, down. And we do just shuffling the buttocks side to side or maybe circling the hips. And also other way. Lovely. And from here, inhale, arms reach, press feet down, lift, and exhale, extend the arms back, and then lift in the chest. Squeeze in the shoulder blades. And slowly, round in the spine, extend the arms forward, fingers forward, and slowly from here, slowly all the way down, and forward fold. And inhale, hands on your shins or side, halfway lengthen. Exhale, refold. And inhale, all the way up. Join your palms together. And exhale, circling your arms down. We're going to add on. And inhale, arms reach. And exhale, extend the arms back, lifting the chest. So upper back, stretch and squeezing. And slowly extend the arms, then rounding up the back. And then from here, come center and all the way down, forward fold. And you inhale, hands on your sides, halfway. And then as you exhale, turn to your right side. So left hand outside your right knee, right hand maybe grabbing your the backrest or onto the back of your chair. Breathe. Slowly de-rotate to the center. And then inhale, arms reach. And then exhale to the left. Breathe. And then inhale back to the center. And then as you exhale, lift the right knee, then hug your knee, right knee in. And then exhale down. Lift left knee in. And then exhale down. And then inhale your arms reach. And then exhale, circling your arms down. And then one more time. Inhale your arms reach. Join your palms together. And then exhale. This time, extend the arms back. Lift the chest. And then slowly circling your arms forward. Fingertips forward. Extending the arms. And slightly lift the chest. All the way down. Forward fold. Inhale, hands on your shins or sides, halfway lengthen. And then as you exhale, turn to your right side. And then inhale back to the center, arms reach. Exhale to the left. And then inhale, arms reach. And then as you exhale, hug your knee in, squeezing the knees. Lower your knee down. And left side, knees in. And then lower your foot down. And then inhale, arms reach. And then exhale, circling your arms down. And one more time. Inhale, arms reach. And then as you exhale, extending the arms back, lifting the chest, squeezing the shoulder blades. And slowly come forward, rounding up the back, fingertips forward. And from here, lift the chest and all the way down, forward. And inhale, hands on your sides, halfway. And then this time, press chest forward and exhale, rounding back. And inhale, chest forward, exhale, rounding back. And inhale, come back to the center. And from here, lifting the right leg. So interlace your fingers, maybe, behind your right side. And then lift right knee. And then this time, keep your knee lifted, the foot off the ground. Left hand outside your right knee. And extending the right arm back. Breathe. And slowly come back to the center. Lower your right foot down. And inhale, your arms reach. And then as you exhale, this time, left knee lift. So place hands underneath your thighs and lift left knee up. And then from here, right hand outside your left knee and extending that left arm back. Maybe gaze towards your back hand or gaze to the side, or maybe you might prefer gaze forward. And breathe. And slowly, back to the center. Lower your left foot down. And then inhale, arms reach. And then this time, bending elbows, cactus arms, squeezing the shoulder blades. And slowly, lower your arms down. Breathe. And from here, I've got my block here. So my chair back. And then let's extend your legs. Maybe you might like to have bolster or cushions or blanket underneath your heels. And then roll your shoulders down. And then maybe you might like to lean back. But if it's got big gap between your back and the backrest, something like this, bolster or maybe even cushions. Cushions like this. And you've got the kind of slightly lift, the rest. And then from here, we're going to take a few moments here. Letting our body settle here. And breathe. Feel free to close your eyes or get softly down towards the earth. Inhale. Exhale. And stay here as long as you like. You can stop videos and then stay here for another 5-10 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to close our practice. Inhale, the arms reach, join your palms together. And exhale, hand to the heart center. Thank you very much for your practice today. Thank you.